Hello everyone, have you been having this recurrent vagina itches? And when you take medications, it gets finished 1 or 2 weeks after it comes again and the cycle repeats. What are you doing that it is wrong? What can you do to prevent this recurrent vagina itches from occurring again? Today we're going to be telling you about 7 things that you should avoid doing in order to prevent you from having this recurrent vagina itches. This is Talk Pregnancy with Dr. Noella, where we tell you all about pregnancy and other women-related health issues. So there are 7 things that we're going to be talking about, and the last one is very, very important. So make sure you watch it to the end and listen to the last one. It causes intense itching, and the main thing that usually causes vagina itches is bacteria or yeast infection. First thing that you should avoid doing is douching. What is douching? Douching means that you take your hand and you put inside your vagina to clean and wash your vagina. The first thing that you're doing wrong is that the vagina normally cleans itself. That's from inside. The vagina is inside and not outside. What you see outside is what we call the vulva. It contains the number of microbes in its right proportions. For example, if it has to have bacteria and yeast infection. So if there's 50-50, it means that there's bacteria which is 50, yeast which is 50. So once you start douching, it means that you tend to destroy one of these bacteria, and this bacteria now it causes the growth of the other one. So if you destroy more of the bacteria, it's going to cause overgrowth of the yeast. A yeast infection does itches in the vagina, so it's very important you avoid douching. The second is keep your underwears very clean. It's very important as a lady to always wash your underwears properly. You can wash it twice in a day. Once you're bathing, if you're bathing twice in a day, so always try to wash it properly. Third is that once you wash it, it's good to keep it dry. Avoid using wet pants, please. If you dry off your pants, make sure it's dry properly, because if you wear a pant which is not properly dry, what happens, that environment is moist and it can grow yeast infections or any bacteria. So you know that yeast grows in a place that is very moist. So if you turn to wear recurrent pants which are not well dry, it's going to favor the growth of this yeast infection causing itches. So I'll dry them over sun, and if possible, it's good to always iron them. Fourthly, don't wear tight pants. If you wear too tight pants, what happens is that the vagina with those tight pants is going to create heat, create the place to be so hot, and when it's hot, it's moist. It also causes the growth of this yeast infection. This might help you if you sleep even without pants. It might be very helpful for you. The next one is put on cotton pants. It's good to always wear cotton pants. Cotton pants are, they cause a little bit of irritants because you use cotton pants. These cotton pants actually avoid the irritations and prevent these vagina itches. Next is avoid using detergents a lot in your vagina. There are times when you can buy maybe very strong detergents because you want to wash your vagina so well to be clean. Yes, it's okay, you can use your bathing soap and wash them, but using a lot of it is not good. Vagina is a very sensitive organ, so in the least irritation can cause itches. If you're seeing your period, please frequently change your pad or your tampons twice or 4 times a day, depending on how heavy your flow is. So please always make sure you change your pants regularly once if you're on your period. Then the last one that you should not miss out is this one prevents you from having both vagina itches and urinary tract infections. It helps you once you're using a toilet, especially public toilet when you're traveling. Make sure that if you have to wipe after using the toilet, you wipe from front to back. Why? Because at the anus you might have some small stool which are present there, and if you wipe from back to front, it can bring this to, stool is waste. It can bring this stool from front and it gets into your vagina causing bacterial infection, and it gets into your urethra causing urinary tract infection. So it's very important you follow these 7 steps, because if they give you the medications and you still expose yourself to all these kind of infections or all these irritants, it's still going to come back. So it's very important you take along these lifestyle modifications after or while taking treatment for vaginal itches. So if this was helpful for you, give a thumbs up to our video and don't forget to click on the subscription button and share the video. It might just help a sister out there. And God bless you. If you want to have a private consultation with me, click on the link on the description box and you get to me.